Good morning. So today we'll learn together how to write the mechanism of the reaction of Favorskii. So as you can see, we start from alpha chlorocyclohexane. So this one is alpha chlorocyclohexane. So under basic conditions, so in presence of HO minus, so we're gonna form like this molecule. So we have C5 here and C6 here. So it's really simple to identify the product of this reaction. For example, if we had like this, for example, we would form, just try to do this one, we just form what we can see here, the nucleophile. Okay, so we form OR. So if we had, for example, if we had an amine, for example, we can form, instead of OR here, because the amine is the nucleophile here, so we can form NHR. So okay, so let's look at the mechanism together. So starting from alpha chlorocyclohexane, let me just draw the molecule. So CO chloro. Okay, so in presence of HO minus, it is a base, so we're gonna make like an acid acid base reaction. So we need to look for like the most acidic hydrogen. So we do have it here. The carbon alpha of the CO is the most acidic one. So we do have two hydrogens here, and one of these two is the most acidic, so we're gonna form a minus charge on this carbon. So I draw the molecule again, and here I have a minus charge. Okay, so this minus charge is going to this carbon is attached to an oxygen, and this one is attached to a chlor. So the one which is attached to the chlor, which holds a chlor, like it has a partial positive charge, and the chlor, we know that it's a good leaving group. Okay, good leaving group. So this minus charge is going to attack this carbon, and the chlor is going to leave. Okay, so we're gonna form this molecule with CO and with a bond from this carbon to this one, which holded that was like holding the chlor. Okay, so we formed this bond. Okay, so let me just zoom in. So we do have, oh sorry, one second. Okay, so we do have another molecule of HO minus. Okay, so we're gonna attack the like here we do have a positive charge. Okay, a formal positive charge, partial one, sorry. So we're gonna attack the carbon attached to the oxygen. So but we're not do as usual, so this is not going to be this way. So it is going to be this way on this carbon. Okay, so we're gonna form, let me just draw this part that we haven't touched. So we still have this bond here between these two carbons, and we still have this one and let me just draw it like this. This one, okay? This one. And C double bond O, and there is an oxygen OH, the OH that I surround on, that I highlight here in green. So I write OH here, and then I have a negative charge here. I do have a negative charge on this carbon, okay? So I can write a formal charge on the carbon. So I still have to make it neutral. So in presence of a molecule, of what a molecule, so I'm gonna grab a hydrogen, and then I'm gonna form this molecule, a neutral one, with COOH, okay? So the same thing for other molecules, okay? So if we change OH to NH, or for example NH minus, we're gonna form NH here, okay? Well, so